Hello, greetings everyone. This is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So, before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. In terms of news you can use, 70% of the Americans describe weather as the most important topic to be covered. 44% refer to as crime, and 41% consider traffic as the most important one. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. 16 electrocuted at Riverside project in Uttarakhand. 16 people, including a sub-inspector, 3 of the Home Guard personnel were electrocuted at a sewage treatment site plant of the Namami Ganga project on the Alaknanda River of Uttarakhand's Chamoli. According to the sources, an operator of the STP Ganesh Ral had electrocuted on Tuesday night. Authorities at Jal Sansthan told Times of India that the place where Ganesh's body was found, the instruments were burned, which indicates electrical fault. Ganesh Lal's 10-hour shift ended at 6 pm Tuesday, but he didn't return home. His family searched for him all night and called the STP in the morning. A supervisor from another STP was sent at the site and his body was discovered at 9:20 am. By 9:30 am, the whole village gathered and they were threatening to not move the body until compensation was given. In the meantime, at around 11:30 am, another major electrical fault occurred. A surge of the electricity may have passed through a metal-based drilling, electrocuting a lot people at the site. 4 of a family, including a baby, killed by relative in Jodhpur. 4 of a family, including a 6-month-old girl, were killed by a relative and their bodies were set ablaze away from their house in the town of Ossian in Jodhpur today morning. A 19-year-old relative of the family was arrested for this gruesome murder, said the police. The killed were identified as Purna Ram, his wife Bhanwari, their daughter-in-law Bhanu, and their 6-month-old grandchild named Manisha. Their half-charred bodies were found at the Chirai village. The baby girl was thrown into the fire alive, said police after preliminary investigation. Purna Ram's nephew, Papuram Jat, had been arrested for performing this gruesome murder, stated the SP Dharmendra Singh Yadav. Considering the sensitivity of the case, DGP Umesh Mishra sent ADG Dinesh MN from Jaipur to Ossian to monitor the investigation. SP Dharmendra Singh Yadav said preliminary investigation pointed at some family dispute behind the killings. Police reached the spot after villagers told them that they had been experiencing smoke since last night. Government says we are ready to discuss all issues including Manipur. The government said at an all-party meeting that we are ready to discuss all the issues permitted under the rule and approved by the chair, including the Manipur. But PM said that this issue would create disruption. The comments came as Congress said the session may be hit if there was no discussion on Manipur, with a statement from the PM. Parliament is the forum for PM's Manipur Ki Baat. This is a non-negotiable demand of India, Jairam Ramesh tweeted. That's it with all the front page updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.